Good morning and welcome to Quilt Week. I am here to share with you a couple of my favorite bag tips, mostly for finishing. Whenever we make bags and we have some really great hardware and some nice fabric and materials, one of the things that we tend to forget is the absolute last thing that we do, which is going to be pressing and top stitching. So one of my new favorite tools, and if I'm being honest, it's not really a new tool, but it's something that I've recently discovered, is a clapper. And a clapper is just a large piece of wood. It's heavy. This one is made from ash. And what you're going to do is you're going to press your seams first. Even on cork, you can go ahead and press with a hot iron. And after you press, you're going to use the weight of the clapper and kind of hold it down for a couple seconds, even walk away, get yourself a cup of coffee, and let that get nice and flat. And you can see just how great you get your seam. It's nice for your handles, and it's also great for right around the top edge where it gets a little bit thick with your cork and interfacing and fabric. And one of my favorite parts to do is actually the top stitching on the end, because this is that last bit of stitching. It means I'm done with my bag, and it also is the last place that I'm going to sew. So I like to really take my time on that. So if you press really well and take your time stitching, you'll have a great bag every time. Thank you for joining me, and make sure to stop by my booth, So Many Creations, at Quilt Week.